As we journey toward personal growth, the concept of ego death to save the soul unfolds as a transformative process and involves not only shedding the ego's attachment to worldly desires, but also liberating ourselves from the shackles of deeply ingrained beliefs and the remnants of our upbringing. It's about identifying with the soul or a higher, transcendent self, transcending the limitations of our past, and allowing the beauty of our unburdened essence to shine through. Also understood as the dissolution of the ego's boundaries through heightened awareness of the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit. Here's the secret. By cultivating consciousness and integration of these aspects, we experience unity and oneness. The ego, which often creates divisions and fosters a sense of individual identity, gradually yields to a deeper realization of oneness. The world remains fragmented because egos in their pursuit of individual desires and identities often overlook our shared humanity. Take a look around. It's imperative we remain positive amidst chaos in our lives, yet we must point out what's hindering our collective growth.